Hey guys, it's Charly. Today is my 31st birthday. Good job. These are the shoes they gave us. No! This is really random, but I'm left-handed and I realized today that I like to bowl with my right hand. Growing up, I actually learned to use my right hand also for a lot of things, so we got stuck. Or what happened? Hi guys! Oh my gosh! Yeah, I don't have anything for you guys. Oh, what is she? Hi! You have pretty eyes. It's like, where's the food? You want some love? What are you looking at? You're looking my looking my necklace. Do you need some love? You need some love? Do my shoes stink? Ow! You can't eat my hair. You can't eat my hair. You can't eat my hair, okay? Are you curious?
Lát em ra điện thoại anh phải làm kẹn.
Oh.
Tao tin tưởng mày còn cái thả chụp của tao nói còn máy chụp. This is my therapy.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Oh, you're sweet. Oh. Yeah. Oh, hi guys. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you for bringing me here. Cheers. We stumbled across this really cute street. It has coffee shops and these little thrift, kind of like thrift stores, but they're little stalls with kind of like used clothing and just random stuff. You like that for you? It's cute. secondhand clothing. You guys are gonna laugh at me, but isn't this the coolest? It's like a little, not like a vest exactly, but it's definitely kind of like an old school.
Do you know what it looks like?
What?
The outfits from the
Back,
future.
yeah, I'm thinking like that. Like that time frame. I'm wearing my sweater underneath it. I actually like it. The father of all fun. We found this cute little shop. They have some, what is it called? Tamarind juice. This one. I like their painting on the wall. I'm always amazed at what they can do with such a small space. There's so many businesses here that operate with little. I pay so much attention to detail that I really came to appreciate these tiles. I love the design on the tiles. If you look really closely, it got worn out from this side, but then when you go over here, it's like a design. I really like that. This is why I like Hanoi, because there's a lot of like really cool, interesting things to look at, and this is one of those things, like little details like this. You guys, this is all I want to do all day. This is my life at 31. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. I'm gonna have to come visit you, okay? You want me to come visit you? Oh. Okay, I have to go bye-bye, okay? I'll come visit you sometime. I'll come visit you, okay? Who polished your toes? It got really comfortable. This is the life, you guys. This is all I want in life. I want to show you guys really quick my backpack. I just got this today, but it's kind of like a duffel bag backpack because it comes with a strap that you can hook to the side. I'm probably not gonna carry it like this, but I'm gonna embroider it. I'm really into embroidery right now, and I'm excited to kind of do my own thing with this. I'm gonna figure out which part I want to embroider first, and I'll update you guys as I embroider it. They match the boots that I got. If you guys remember when I got these, they match together, and my backpack's already dirty actually, but it's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I want to give a special shout out to my patrons. Thank you guys so much. And if you would like to become a patron on Patreon, be sure to check the link in the description box. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.